Hello, everybody. Welcome to Funology, learning with fun. So, friends, in this video, I've tried to create Lord Shiva with his symbols. Shiva, also known as Mahadeva, is perhaps the most complex of Hindu deity. I've used 25 different geometrical shaped cutouts to create this artwork. I hope you will like it. So friends, Lord Shiva. Shiva means the most auspicious one. He's also known as Rudra, the terrific one. Nataraj, the Lord of Dance. Vishwanath, the Lord of Universe. He is the destroyer, the transformer. He is limitless, unchanging, formless, and also the one without beginning or without end. I have shown the symbols of Lord Shiva in this artwork. These symbols are the third eye on his forehead, the serpent around his neck, the holy river Ganga flowing from his matted hair, the Trishul as his weapon, Damru, the drum, half open eyes, tiger skin, the Rudraksha necklace, Kumandalu, the water pot made of dry coconut, the adorning crescent moon. In Hindi we call it Ardh Chandrama. This moon on Shiva's forehead depicts control on time. And Nandi, the bull. Nandi is the vehicle of Shiva. It symbolizes both power and ignorance. Nandi, with Lord Shiva as a companion of righteousness. I hope you all will like this artwork. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful time ahead. Om Namah Shivaya.